Dear representatives, my name is Svetlana Zubkova. I hold a doctorate degree in medicine, and I am a dermatocosmetologist, physical therapist and doctor of restorative medicine. I have been practicing cosmetology for more than 15 years. Recently in cosmetology, mesotherapy has become extremely popular for prolonging youth. Mesotherapy is a procedure where the active substances are introduced into the skin using a syringe or derma roller, so they can act from the inside, which is very effective in the fight against aging. However, mesotherapy has its drawbacks. It is expensive, painful, and must be repeated regularly in order to achieve long-term effects. For those who are not willing to sacrifice so much for the sake of beauty, Faberlic Labs has developed an ampoule program combined with a derma roller. Every series of ampoules is intended for the treatment of specific problems. Program 1. Restoration and cellular activation is intended to improve skin elasticity and to help sensitive and irritated skin recover. Program 2. Moisturizing and revitalization is intended for deep moisturizing. Program 3, lifting and regeneration, is intended for lifting aging skin. To choose your correct program, you must determine what effect do you need at this time. Select the specific product that solves that exact problem and use the ampoules to achieve results. How many? Use until you have achieved the desired result, anywhere from 6 to 30 ampoules. It is inadvisable to use more than one of these products at a time. If you need several effects, follow one program to the end, then switch to the next one. There is no need for a break in between. The use of any active cosmetic product has several stages. The active influence stage, where we see a gradual improvement in the skin. The saturation and adaptation stage, where we have achieved the maximum possible response of the skin and there can be no further improvements. After that, there is the possibility of a resting stage. Since full cellular exchange in the upper layer of the skin takes approximately 30 to 60 days, 1 to 2 months, depending on age, active cosmetics such as ampoules and serums generally have a usage period that is a multiple of these numbers. The older you are, the longer you need to use the product to achieve the desired effect. And remember, for skin to successfully assimilate new components, it needs time, approximately 1 cellular exchange cycle. Therefore, the effects from using skincare products should be evaluated after this period of time. After applying the contents of Faberlic ampoules, you may feel tightening of the skin. This is normal, because the ingredients include hyaluronic acid, which forms a surface film on the skin that prevents the evaporation of moisture. When the product dries, the film is compressed and provides a lifting effect. Yes, it is this film that creates the appearance of a facelift. Yes, it is tightening, the long-awaited facelift. If the tightening is uncomfortable for you, apply the ampoule in a thinner layer, distributing the contents over a wider area, not only on the face, but also the neck and décolleté. To achieve greater effects from the use of these ampoules, try a few tricks. Prepare your skin before applying the ampoule. Before starting a course of usage, and periodically during it, exfoliate using enzyme or acid peels. Use a toner immediately before applying. Open the ampoule by cracking its end. Apply the contents of the ampoule with your fingertips, spreading it quickly in massaging lines. Place your fingers on your face and with soft pressing, surging motions, work the residues in, as though you're pushing the product into the skin. The ampoules can be applied in the evening or twice a day for a more rapid effect. Wait 5 to 10 minutes before applying cream. To complete the procedure, you can use any Faberlic cream, as all Faberlic creams complement each other and are interchangeable. To improve the effectiveness of the ampoules, you can use a derma roller. Faberlic has developed a derma roller called microneedle face massager. How does it work? During the procedure, the dermaroller is rolled over the skin surface. Needles with lengths of 0.3 to 0.5 mm loosen the uppermost layer of the epidermis. What happens next? How does a dermaroller change the activity of your skin? First of all, the tissue is refreshed and strengthened. Any skin damage causes increased regeneration. It triggers the mechanism that is responsible for recovery. As a result, new collagen, elastin and HA are synthesized, cell division is stimulated, and new capillaries grow. For this, we need a building material, which is delivered by the ampoules. As the needles leave only the thinnest microtrauma canals, healing occurs without scarring. Secondly, skin permeability changes. Loosening the epidermis weakens the skin's barrier function, and substances penetrate much more easily. Studies have shown that certain substances can penetrate 5 to 10 times more effectively. Thirdly, dermarollers have a reflex effect. Stimulation of nerve endings leads to improved blood supply to the tissues in the area affected by the feedback mechanism. After the procedure, the skin is always red. Blood flow has increased. Therefore, the combination of ampoules and a dermaroller is perfect to fight the fine lines and moisturize the skin. How do you use a dermaroller? You can use it on its own or with the expert ampoules. Disinfect the dermaroller and all target areas of the skin with chlorhexidine solution, miramistine. Do not forget that you must disinfect your skin and hands before using the dermaroller. Roll the dermaroller over the whole face 4 to 5 times in 4 directions with constant speed and pressure. Do not use too much pressure when rolling the device over your skin. The rolling should be gentle, causing a slight sting but no real discomfort. Avoid inflamed or irritated areas of the skin, or even better, wait to use the dermaroller until inflammation subsides. After using the dermaroller, expert ampoules can be applied to the face. Better to work on each zone of your face separately, so to apply serum to just treated skin. After completing the procedure, protect your skin from inflammation by applying a healing cream with clean hands. This could be our legendary oxygen balm. We recommend using the dermaroller once a week for 5 to 10 minutes. The course of treatment can be up to 6 months long, depending on the condition of your skin and the desired effect. One dermaroller is designed for 10 applications, after which it must be replaced. After the procedure, clean the dermaroller under running water. Soak the roller head for an hour in chlorhexidine solution and dry. Store in individual packaging until the next use.